Welcome to Da Nang. And Marcus, what do you have to say playing pickleball here with these?
It's a great sport, to be honest. You know what?
Oh my God.
It is really nice because you can talk like you are in a pub and drinking beer. This is,
okay.
I think the most part is very funny.
So that's like the cheap version of golf.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
It's for the normal.
Okay. Look at this. They have a massage place here. We are actually on our way to VP Bank today and gonna get a lot of money out. And walking this neighborhood, I've never been really. There's also a very interesting restaurant we're gonna cross. I've never been there, but I heard a lot about it. It's a Moroccan restaurant with a Moroccan owner. What is this? Mais Boutique. It looks like a hotel.
Wow, it's a very nice one.
Yeah. Okay. This is a very interesting street here too, guys. Marcus, do you know the name here?
The street name? No.
We will find a shield. Oh, To Hien Tan. To Hien Tan.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where we're gonna walk right now. We're gonna take a left at some point, but I really wanna see this bloody restaurant, Moroccan restaurant. My English friend had dinner there once. His Vietnamese girlfriend or ex-girlfriend now, she put in chili sauce on the food, and the owner was angry after that. On Moroccan food, she put Vietnamese chili sauce on it. It's basically the same as if you put ketchup on pasta or something. Oh, look at this, Marcus. Coffee and plants, but it looks like closed.
Yep.
But it's a very, very local neighborhood here. It's a little bit too far. This also. Maybe we should just make this neighborhood something. So where is the bloody restaurant? Not the bloody restaurant, the bloody. Bloody. Okay, we knew gonna get constructed here. Construction noise here as well. Bloody, that's it. That's the restaurant. Have you ever tried Moroccan food, Marcus? Look at this, I've never been here. Looks very cozy and nice here. Look at this, super high end. Please wait here for seating. Hello, thank you. I just want to look.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, cool.
Okay, look at this. Start with Bismillah.
And with Alhamdulillah. Okay.
Okay, so you can learn a little bit.
You already have your Moroccan.
Burqa?
Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's continue. Moroccan restaurant. Very rare, something like this.
Oh, Winnie Pooh.
Winnie Pooh, and I think this is another kindergarten or elementary school, I'm not sure. Something with kids. Here, more little stores. Usually all around schools, they have the cheapest. Do you still need something to drink?
No,
Okay.
I'm good.
You had a protein water.
You know,
Something like this, I only think about pickleball player would drink a protein water.
Yeah. And the flavor was apple.
Apple, all right.
First apple.
How can you have protein water, guys? This is crazy.
Probably next week you see me with all these wrists like a pro, a pickleball pro.
My God, what is this, Marcus? That looks fancy. It's getting built right now. Huh. Oh, Marcus, you know what? I saw some pictures on Facebook. The new shopping mall is getting built. It's already standing, and I think maybe it's going to be done soon.
Do you know where?
Yeah, no. I think around North Haichao.
Oh,
North Haichao.
that makes sense.
Yeah, so that is very, very interesting because Da Nang has a big flaw, and it is not a big mall. You don't have a big mall here.
But when they get the new big mall, then
Yeah.
it's over in a positive way.
Yes, then this is very, very good. Because sometimes In the winter, it's too cold or rainy or nasty with the weather. Perfect for the mall.
Yeah.
Is it too hot and you want to go walk around in a cool environment?
It's also economically. So if the weather is too hot or too bad, you can go to the mall and save money.
Yeah.
Because you can waste the clean AC from them.
Okay. So also, what the last time we talked about coffee shop, your coffee shop, some people were a little bit. They were like, "Hey, we would definitely come to Marcus' coffee shop,
Really?
but
Oh shit.
only if he doesn't make love with the ice cubes."
You never know. This is a surprise. Surprise.
We are now actually at a super busy, big main street here. But I have to check out the name. This street actually goes all the way to the Dragon Bridge. Okay. So this street, you will end up at the Dragon Bridge on this side, and you will have the beach on this side. But maybe we should walk around no, let's walk on the street. It's still very interesting. They have some interesting Korean areas there too.
And also you can see from here the Hiyori.
Yes, we reviewed this on the German channel. We went with Michael. Michael showed his 2-bedroom apartment at the Hiyori Tower. Very interesting. You can check it out. It's in German, but you will see what you get anyways.
Nowadays YouTube dubbed it.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's easy.
Big roundabout here. A Grab driver is putting his hammock up, taking his nap. In Vietnam, they're taking naps seriously. If my wife does not get her nap, we got a problem. A huge problem. So, fun fact also, there's one of my favorite pho's over there, right behind this little parking spot. Right behind it, pho and banh mi, very, very delicious. Pho Sot Vang, beautiful. I put it also in my Google Maps guide, which you're gonna see here now. Check it out. If you come to Da Nang, save your time and be healthy. Don't get sick, just go to the places we recommend. You're gonna find everything. Look at this empty lot here. A little bit bad with the trash here, but there's so much more space here. A little bit not used properly space. I think this is also a bus station here. Ah yes, this is a bus station. The Dana bus.
Yeah.
We still didn't make it to with the Dana bus.
I really don't know what is.
Yeah. There was a dork, a ultra dork, a German ultra mega dork, commented on our German arrival guide that we are so unprofessional, not showing the public transport, the bus station, where you can go from the bus station. Like, yes, you most likely can take the bus to the beach, right? And then from the beach, you still have to walk. If you go to the Antung area, you need to get another Grab, okay? For $1 or $2, another Grab from there. Or you walk in the heat for 2 kilometers to your hotel. But hey, you know what?
You never know, maybe it's in a bucket list for a lot of people who is flying 14 to 15 hours, take all their belongings to the bus station just to save $2 or $3.
I don't even think he saves $2 or $3. I think it's $1 for the bus. Then you have to pay at least $2 for the Grab from the bus station. So better pay $4 and arrive. Like $4 is the maximum. $4 from the airport to any hotel here on the beach. Yeah, but hey,
just take the bus.
Dear dork, okay, we will never show you that.
Imagine
okay?
you're coming here with your wife or husband and then children, and everybody has to move.
I think if you come as a family and buy a bus ticket for each, it's gonna be more expensive even. Yeah, my God.
I mean the hassle. It's just with kids, with all the belongings and luggage, and with your wife or your partner.
Yeah. So we will try out the bus to Hoi An, which is actually a smart thing, you know. If the bus is coming on the proper way, you could have a $1 ride to Hoi An if you know how it goes, right? You will find that out. This is something else, right? But even then, if you have more people, 2-3 people, take a car, it's $8 to Hoi An. It's maybe nicer to not be. If you okay, one second. I need. This is more important. Mi Quang Ba Mua. I really want to try this one out. I saw that one time. And Pho Van Hanoi. Mi Quang, Marcus. It's a Mi Quang store.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, so it's better to take Grabs here. No local is taking the bus, guys. Put that out of your head, okay? No local taking the bus.
Probably it's just a German thing.
Yeah, it is a German thing, 100%. But locals take their own motorbike. Yeah. There may be some people driving bus, but only if it fits. Because if you go to work and you have to walk from the bus station, this is brutally hot here. Yeah.
And also we did it once, but that was high speed from the airport to the beach in 45 minutes.
Yeah,
You remember?
we walked from the.
Yeah, high speed without luggage.
Dear dork, I actually showed on this channel here how to get the cheapest way to the beach. You can walk. It's 59 minutes. We made it.
Yeah,
you can make it too. But we will not show you a bus. Or you know what? Get a bus tour. They will also pick you up in a bus. Like this here. I'm not sure what kind of bus group this is. But they're definitely getting into the souvenir store here. I think this is the Hiyori Tower now. Yep. Also, opposite is I think 3 different big restaurants. I think 2 there are 2 hot pots and 1 seafood restaurant right here. The Mama hot pot I tried out once, was pretty good. I think 1.5 years ago or 1 year ago. Those I have not tried yet, but those are, I think, seafood places.
Free, there's something for free. Look at this. Get free.
Oh, free lobster here, Marcus.
Yeah.
Grilled super slipper lobster.
Mi An seafood.
Mi Han. So this is the Hiyori Tower, a Japanese high-rise, I believe. We reviewed an apartment for $800 yesterday, 2-bedroom, 24th floor, pool and gym. Pretty modern building. Very nice. But he also said there's this huge construction over there, and they work 24 hours. That is a little bit annoying, guys. Here's also a very interesting corner with lots of electronics. I always go to FPT, but I think the other one, Dean Mike's son, is also the same. So if you want to buy some TV or some air purifier or whatever, you can go there. They have also original products. They have also iPhones and everything. Apple, Samsung, cute VF3.
Oh, this is Tataru.
Yeah?
Tataru. Ta-da-da.
You know that?
Yeah, of course, Tataru. I
Okay.
think it's Tataru. It's just from Ghibli Studio. If someone is
Can you
into it-
comment? Do you know this thing?
Yes, I think it's from Ghibli Studios.
Oh.
It's so nice. This anime is amazing. Ghibli Studios.
I always thought I know Marcus, but now he's watching anime and playing pickleball. Look at this golden tower. My God.
Really, they started working on it.
So this is a bank.
Jesus Christ! Look at this. There's higher.
A golden bank. That
They wanna
looks
build it
so
higher.
sketchy. Yeah.
Ah,
I hope it's a living complex too. Who needs such a big bank? Hello, xin chào.
Always friendly.
We're almost here at the VP Bank now. I think we have to cross here, bro. Oh my god. That sounds very dangerous. Okay, guys. Let's hope it's getting green soon. Don't walk.
green?
No.
What?
No, okay, now it's green.
I told you go. Jesus Christ.
Okay. I gotta trust Marcus more. Look at him. Would you trust someone like this? A pickleball player?
Yeah.
So here, guys, is the Dragon Bridge. Okay, Dragon Bridge, then we're gonna go to the left where the VP Bank is. What are they selling here?
I think it's just recycling stuff.
Huh. Lots of metal.
Are these guys selling them?
Woo! My God.
French hat.
Here, guys, you can buy some flowers. I don't like the flowers here because they're always short and they put it into a sponge. So you cannot really take it out and put it in a vase. It's just for looks. Lots of banks here as well. Bak A Bank, OCB. But we're gonna try to get out some money here at the VP Bank. Do you need some painting? You can get it here. Oh, this is a Camry, right? I don't know why. I like this Camry. They look cool. But I think that comes with the age to like Toyota more. Wow. Nice. Get some piles here. So if you want to renovate your house, this is the place to go maybe, the street here. I really like those palm trees here in the middle. They're not all even, but yeah, it looks pretty good. I can already see the VP Bank. Here you can get some gasoline. You drove there, just open the trunk, and then they will do the rest. They will tell you how much it is. What a good feeling. A full tank, and then it only costs $3. I drove a BMW 7 Series. I never had that luck. Never. VP Bank, guys, we made it. Lots of stores here too, but I think they're all for the nighttime. All right. VP Bank, there's a ATM and a bank right next door. So, and if there's a line, you can just eat something next door, but I think they are closed. So, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next walk. Check out this video here.